So Illustrator has a rich set of character and paragraph formatting options to provide precise control of the appearance of type. Illustrator organizes these formatting options over 3 palettes. The easiest way to access it is going to Window, then to Type. You might have to scroll down, and then open up Character. And so notice we've got character and paragraphs. So if we want to align it or include hyphenations or any indentations. But predominantly you're going to be playing around with character. Selecting some text or creating some text, changing the font, changing if it's bold or italicized. Some fonts won't have that available. And then changing the point size, so the overall size of the text. Additionally, we can change what we call the leading. So that's the space between the different lines. And we've got kerning, so individual letters, or in often cases you might use the tracking, so the whole words. And so having it a bit tighter or looser. Some other options down here, you probably won't be in terms of the glyphs, you won't be adapting too much. Additionally, when we create type, the difference is if I just click and then type, the option there is we can rotate that type. If I click and drag, Illustrator thinks I want to type paragraph. And so the problem there is when I try and rotate it, it's going to keep the text horizontal. So work out if you're needing a body of text or if you're just needing a single word and you want to rotate it. Additionally, you probably want to include additional fonts. Now you can go to Adobe Fonts and install them that way. However, they'll only be available obviously on Adobe programs. Another great website is called Dafont.com, and it's brilliant because it has these great sort of themes that are provided, really well organized in terms of sans serif and serif-based fonts. And so you're just scrolling down, finding a font, downloading it, running the installer, and then if I download Geoform, that will then be available in my font library.